Ago. And they said, yeah, of being for problem at the time on your friend Okunini Kambon. So, just as was mentioned, my name is Dr. Kambon. Now, and then make sure more idea if you know Asako, my income Asako. So today I'm going to teach you something called Asako. Now, brother, me kase Asako, me person mo kase or Kosa. Asako. Now, I didn't know Asa. You can say Asa. What is Asa? Done. I didn't know Okon. It's Asako Yadian. Or Constance Yadian.
That's nice.
Asako or Kosa. Now, I'm sorry, I shall say no. My person may hear a pie. Why not name the a pie? So, before we get started, we'll pour libation. Who knows what libation is? Why idea? Until in Pitiasiano, you have a ball. I would add in Yankopon. So, the first thing you do is you call on the Creator. You told him, you know, Asasia Yanamso. The second is Asasia. You told him, Miensa, and then you're Abosom. So, the third is what's called the Abosom, the divinities, all of nature, the intermediaries between Onyame and human beings. You told him 9, Abeya Nananom. And then the fourth is our own ancestors. Now, you drew Nananom, my person more Monanom Dean. One on him, Monanom Dean. The day Yas and to our farm improvement, one on him, Nananom Dean. And when you ever come here, after that, we'll mention while we're here. I'll go.
Amen.
After that, we'll mention while we're here. Now, in which you ever you're taught one. Now, you're Betremo, Asako. Of course. We share the old year. Asako. Asako. Otumfo arade nyonkopon kyerem bonkwa me ye kyerem wonsu nyama wonsu asase yamponiamwa asase odia mosa ma edwene die demrefe die oboso nyase modoso nti yitimi momde baako na so yefra baako na yefrom nyina konkontano asio tano brapatano akone di wonsa benkumni asio jobi asio boafo asio Ogyefuo na me kasa mo kase yaw yese ye mojeso yaw asio jobi yaw akone di Muyina free atifo, anafo, apie, atoye. Muyina momra meje ense, anayensi. Muyina momra, na momishraye. Apere yefra, yenanonom, mombo nanonom din. So mention names of ancestors, African ancestors. Mo, ya, Hannibal, yaw, 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 yaw. One part is Yamumodi. Now, and I'm only one no. Yeah. We now Mumra Jones. Now, and a day, and I say, and now yet, women that area, yes, among Quan and Quanza, yes, among Yansa, yes, among Kosoa, yes, among Puntuo. Now, at the Pepia, I have the wine, a dear ma Abibifahodie, a dear man Kosoa, dear ma Abibimine. Now, man be our person, Abibimine, Jidadia, or Jan Shen as one in us and Kaba, Win and Sram Dauruma. Monsieurina, yes, ye high. Monsieur Mia Pai, Monsieur, what I said about ya, Monsieur de Pa, and the Ama Abibimine said about ya, Yabia, and Puntuo, and Kosoa, and one of Common Sunday, Apomodin, Ahwadin, Asako. So, find out your Bibini or her. Who is African here? Find out your Bibini. And Jimmy who say, a binum Munim say Moya before. A binum Munim say Moya before. So I see some of us know that we're ancestors. Maybe I didn't say, yeah, I'm broken to do. Why are you bringing to do? So I dream I wouldn't dream. Every year for her, I have baby dream. Every year. I know I have one. So Said we are a mamre, we are Abibifahodie a mamre. Yes, Rosa, ye are Abibifahodie. Ye are Abibifahodie. We are Africans. We are not ashamed of being Africans. And son of Brofo Becatcher, he said, Bibia, ye bia, a bonnet. Now you say ye are Abibifahodie. Ye name Yami and son of Brofo Bahano. Ye name Yami and son of Arab for Bahano. So we know on Yami before there was any Europeans or Arabs or anyone else to come to teach us. On Yami, name Sadin on Yami Wamakata. They don't even have the word on Yami in their language. Until a better number catcher and say, Sapan wing so like some Yami. Now, and then, send ya beer quano, ya paya, actually say ya beer quine. So as we fall our base, we're opening the way. Until Sabre, Yabesia, Asako, Asako, Asako. So now we're going to learn Asako. Now, Asako, so knowledge of Asako is from ancient times. Now, Brother Mekase Asako Tete, so how long is Tete? Ancient times. It comes from ancient times. How long ago do you think?
8,000 years ago. Over 8,000 years ago.
Until the deacon who I try or come, I will react upon it now. The very first depiction of these what we call combat sciences anywhere in the world is from here in Africa. It's mutumi called baby are you from Monet Kufu, Mainka, Monet Kufu.
Monet Kufu.
Monet Kufu.
Monet Kufu.
Monet Kufu. Now we'll be home for Siapa and you'll see a huge mural. I was sat in Foninum and in that mural, that drawing, we'll be home in Mmɔfrabea, Mofo Kutruku.
What is a mural for those who don't know? What's a mural for those who don't know?
So a mural is a big picture on the wall. On the wall. What is it? Asako. 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 I was in Bolino at 10 times. So in that same picture they show wrestling moves. Almost sure said, what we told nine, it was time for you. That's time for no. So they drew that picture over 5,000 years ago. And what and they did that in Africa. Asako. Asako. And then make sure Asako and also a free Abibifahodie. And today I will teach you Asako, which comes from right here in Africa. Every baby I from Angola. Mayaka, Angola.
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 So you kakra Angola kwa. Angola Angola Angola. Ebiem. Angola Angola Angola. Ebiem. Angola Angola Angola. Mombo Monsam Angola Angola Angola. Ebiem. Angola Angola Angola. Hey Angola Angola Angola. Enti bra ye di Asako ye tonyom ayesan ye sa asa ene sa okon. Enti wo we hwe a wo hwe Asia for na say China for na say omo kon say so you see Asians, they are doing their martial arts, whatever they want to call it. You see it's very rigid. They are doing but for African people, we don't do it like that. So they say you are okra, and also say. What can I say? What can I say? Baby. So the way African people do it, we do it in such a way that we keep moving. We keep moving. But all of a sudden you'll see, but all of a sudden you'll see that the fight part is inside of it. And see, when you are your friend, Niama, and also Obabichere Asako, and the Yabache Yamumi, so we're going to split into two parts. Me, Namichere, and Pennypo. A bit also, Niamaho, now also over Tremwadia. With the Maya Crado say movies here Asako, so are you ready to learn Asako?
Yes.
Asako! Asako! Asako!
Angola, would you baby? I don't know where Angola is. No. No.
It's in Africa. Is it in the east? Is it in the west? Is it in the south or in the north?
Let me see if it's up to him. Using it for phone.
It's in the south.
Yeah,
Live. He's asking for the cable. The cable.
Because we use that one.
We were colonized by the what? So we speak what? English. And if you go to somewhere like Senegal or Cote d'Ivoire or Togo, they were colonized by the who? French. They were colonized by France. They speak French. And Angola,
I know, but if I leave the light is messing up, how will I charge my phone? My car is not charging.
So KG class 1 to 3, please come this way, and then the rest of you do that.
I can stop it now and
Put your hand down. Show me your left hand. Huh? Bring it down. Don't be focusing there. Focus here. Okay? Show me your left, your right. So I'm your what? Bring it down. Do as I do, okay? Okay, let's go. Everybody, drop down.
Mrs. Muyadio. Mrs. Muyadio.
See my leg. See my hand. Oh no, change it. Your left. And make your left hand. Your left hand. Protect your feet. Okay? This is what we call the jinga. The basic movement. So bring your feet together. Do as I do. Like this. Let's go. Let's go, yeah. So, jinga.
okay.
What have I done now? This one is jinga, okay? bring your legs together. Change hands.
You go back and see your shoe.
Confirm. Jenga. Confirm. Number one.
Oh, favor, I will slap you. Jenga.
Stand there. Do this. And hold it. Anybody who is here, do that. Let's go. Let's do serious business. Zinga. Zinga. Let's go. Follow. Slow. Let's go. This is the basic step. From here you can transition to any song. Have you ever seen boxing before? We box now. Come. Let's do the space inside for them. Circle. Let's do a circle.
So if I lift my leg, you should go down. You go down. 2.5. 2 3/4. Come on. Hey! Asako. I said, oh no, I'll be 29. It's a 29, Miss Omenia. Make go to. And I'm going to go back to. Wait, Miss Rowe. That night, wait there. There's a honey woman to do. In power back on what's over? Where are I Miss Rowe? And I'm a Miss Rowe. Mate, any bra. Who are you doing? And back on me no, me and Asako. Who said what did not correct? Okay, I'll be 29 way. Okay, I'm 29 way. Asako, no credit or hot. Now, so say, Abibifahodie or Boa. Who can't get on and say, me 9 way, and me barbeto, one can, maybe, if they say, Mohode Bessie, or Bohode ever. I feel they'll bet me up on a whole by. And penny football baby say, at the Wahon kind, at the Wahon kind, at the Wahon kind, at the Wahon kind, say, Madame Hosso. I say, me who the only can, and then Madame Hosso did that. What I say? It means that if I see what you're going to do, I'll protect myself ahead of time. Kadabra. If you want to go night. Now then, no, then come and ask Nifa. Wait. If you are, oh, Miss Rowe. Don't tell me who. Say away, me who that. Yo, any back on. Right, crap. Back on. No, Nifa. Nifa, kick me at
Now you need practice.
What are you saying, Mr. Omen? I see, I you better Asako about Timothy.
Okay, everybody in line. We're going to do a very beautiful drill, okay? Who wants this to hit him? To hit you. Okay, watch me. Okay, everybody watch me. Watch me. Do this. Face here. Up. You come one by one. Who wants to go first? Come, you come. If you see that stick coming, you want to just go, okay? Try to hit me like this and like this. So watch, okay? Are you ready? Yep. Go ahead, hit my head. You see? Try to hit me. Oh, you can't hit. Yeah. Did you see that? Okay. Okay, thank you. Who wants to try that? Watch me, okay? Come on. Why are you?
Hey, now go.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Boss, I mean, kind of. Try shoot me like this. Ready? See? Again. Thank you. Well, let's go. Go back. I'm going to do all the 3 drills, okay? No. This one is for this. Up. Up. You're not doing it well. Come. When you go like this, you're protecting your chin, your shoulder. Let your feet finish here. And the right hand. So you can keep moving my way. Up. Good. Up. Fall. Walk away. Be in a line, please. I want you to be in a line. Be in a line. Some people back. So we are all going to go the same direction as one, okay? Okay, come. One person should come. Hey, who is with me here? Go back. Okay. All of you go one direction, okay? One of the things is your head. My eyes are closed. If I hit you, it's not my fault. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, up. Let me show you one more thing. I'm going to be patabu. Not here, cut you. Beautiful. Again, let's go. Watch what is coming. Make sure you see when you are doing it. Okay, now let's form a circle. You have fun now. Let's form a circle. You come. Here. Circle. Open up. We are going to fight now, so open up. Okay, Mr. Blue Shirt, come. Sweetheart, go back to us. Go down. Beautiful. Let's go. Up. So do what I taught you. Fall down. Go. Up. Okay, now walk back. Go back and walk back. Let's go. Let's fight. Let's go. Next. One by one. Next. Okay, you. And you. Don't hurt yourself. Don't let him hit you. And don't let him hit you, okay? Boko. Nice, okay. Beautiful. Okay. That's Easter de Capoeira. Oh yeah. Easy. Open up. This way is the only way you know, right? Go down and spin. Easy. Everything you know, okay? Beat me, okay? Don't be scared. Do that. Next. Don't block. In capoeira, we don't block. We move away. Don't let me hit you. Spin. I can have metal fist. Don't block. Okay, let them say hi. Come back. I am Dr. Campbell, show you, okay?
Come back.
Oh, my Kaka.
Wherever you are, go back.
Hey.
Go back.
Hey, go back there, bitch.
Mami, give me a beat down. I'm back. I'm what here? Ah, sir. Bono. And yeah, I'm doing.
Nasiro.
Who's your boy? You had a great good evening. Kids can take you out. Eyes off and Hey. Yes, you.
Mumra.